we want to assure the government that we will cooperate if they approach things in a decent manner. Absolutely. But we will not be intimidated. We are few.
Other from Penifua, Egusua, ye Reverend Ntim Fordjour, and some yi, I costly, or Mugusua, yemu, and Fisher. When I'm so I'm an idea, and I before I could pay mu, I will fear, and our broom could pay munu, not just say a minority caucus, a can Reverend Ntim Fordjour, home cobo, Nichidom pie, and Yasam, Cato, or Honum, our broom could pay or Honum. Now I was say a minority leader, a Afenyo Markins, I didn't send me a tuja, not just say, well, Brom Coy, and so no MPP, Penifua binum so a can minority caucus home and copying or honum na Afenyo Markins adding same you could be a tuja a honum young court new could see and brandy a quackity Afenyo Markins now make for taps and Eddie amount so I'm not send this scam Eddie Abagana from mobile and back account and a ZP. Quap fan as a place to knock on a little tap service a promo code and one by the party where I show near bonus Eddie account yen to the 4 yen and some would be Afenyo Markins a minority leader added to our broom copying or Reverend Ntim Fordjour if you know.
All right, so this morning we heard of this intimidation and harassment from the NIB. We least expected such a step to be taken by government by using agents of the state. Our country is a country of democracy. Yes. And I'm reiterating a point. His Excellency President Mahama, I don't see him as a politician. I see him as a statesman because his term is his final term. So those who work under him should help him to leave a legacy. What we are experiencing shouldn't be part of his legacy. 4 years is far, but near. Ghana has been in this exercise for years, and we don't need what we've experienced this morning. The caucus expressed a view through its authorized member, Mr. Ntim Fordjour, a reverend minister and a politician. If government disagree with views expressed, government can also tell a side of the story. This is democracy. It's not about we are inviting you, you come with armed men. You know, about 20 of them. We don't need it. If you disagree, you disagree. In any event, the caucus is calling for a bipartisan inquiry into this matter. We should be able to judge all. But, well, they have de-escalated, they've left, they've gone back to wherever they came from. We want to assure the government that we will cooperate if they approach things in a decent manner. Absolutely. But we will not be intimidated. We are few, but a mighty few and a happy few. You know, there are serious matters for the state to consider. Joblessness, people need jobs, the Galamsey issues. So far, they have not demonstrated seriousness in dealing with the Galamsey. If some agent of the state would want to pay attention to trivialities,
this is democracy.
Then it is going to be the beginning of the end of this government, and it is not necessary. They should stop it. We are there to engage them. But let me make it very clear that Reverend cannot be made an example. Two, Reverend is not a loner.
He is never.
He has not walked alone.
Yes.
He will never walk alone.
And he spoke for the minority.
Of our caucus. And he speaks for the caucus. And he expresses the views of the caucus. So nobody should make any attempt to single him out and try to come here, intimidate him. He walks through this unfortunate valley of the shadow of death, but he will fear no evil. Because he walks with his God. And the strength of the mighty 88 behind him. So please, government officials, enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Stop it. Let's engage. We are political actors. Let's assure the people that we are ready to uphold the promises of the Constitution and democracy. This must stop. Thank you very much.
What was
Other fun and some out there, Afenyo Markins, editor, Wabrom Copiemu, Reverend Ntim Fordjour Fieno, and you couldn't put him and some by. Mr. Sobas of our comment at what no Shanna got for send you be at bit back a video, meeting the Abna or some of Macron, the best share a beam.
Mr. Mankwa, me office was saying this cabane de any project. As to the be a me office camania or problem.
And I'm Namonte tap sending can.
No so nedia.
Tap send ye easy, fast and secured way. Who bet me a send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy anything.
Chinese won't call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Or ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make quack of friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you kesisia. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet woso. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika ko gu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atu susu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana haidu
sa pepe se si tap send that trainer shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no